This is Prakash, founder of Rankedy.com. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial about topic orientation. So who needs topic orientation? Well, if you have a site that you would like to rank for semantically related keywords and does not want to focus on singular keyword, then topic orientation will be very helpful for you. So how it works and what exactly the topic orientation does to your website. So at Rankedy, we actually use this topic orientation to focus on multiple verticals and to strengthen a single vertical to generate a lot of organic searches into that vertical. So, for instance, if you have a website that talks about a mechanical keyboard, for instance, if you are seeing in the screen, the website is about codekeyboards.com. So, one second. As you can see, this website, this is talking about the mechanical keyboards. So it's probably an affiliate site or a website that sells this keyboard or directly on the site. So these days you can't optimize the website only for a specific keyword by optimizing the keyword densities. So that sort of things won't work anymore. And even if it works, you are also missing a lot of semantically oriented keywords that can bring you a targeted traffic to your website. So coming back to the application. So how this works, this topic orientation works is that Rankedy crawls this website, codekeyboards.com. Then it finds then it fetches the contents present in that website. Then we have built an algorithm based upon the IPCC topic classification model. It uses a computer algorithm to uh, find the topics associated for a given content. So for instance, if you are giving a content that's about keyboards, the topic orientation crawls the website, fetches the content, then associates that content with the relevant topics. For instance, you are seeing here the topics that are relevant to this website or machine model, move, good, space, body, work, shape, human, change. So so you can see that they have used words that are highly relevant to these topics. So when you see the top 100 results for this keyword, which is a code mechanical keyboard. One second. You can see that this particular website is ranking at the first position. So, so this topic orientation model includes this website as well, while it fetches the contents of all these 10 websites. So as you see, the second website is Amazon. So Amazon product page for us. This code 104 key illuminated mechanical keyboard white LED backlighting. So you can see that this page contains a lot of content related to this keyboard, such as code, mechanical, keyboard. So these are the keywords that are highly associated with this page. Coming back to this Google results page, the next one is the WASD keyboards. So here again, the page lists out the keyboards that are mechanical keyboard. So what Rankedy does is that it goes to each and every page present in the top 10 results of Google. Then it fetches the contents. For instance, it fetches the full contents, all these contents. Then it appends this content with the next page content and so on. So it keeps on fetching the contents in every page that comes in the top 10 results. Then it merges the contents, converts it into a single article, then compares the content with the present in this website, which is codekeyboards.com. So now let's run it again. I have refreshed the data. Now I'm going to click this one. I have refreshed the data. Yes. So previously we have seen how the topics are associated when we check the topics only in the website, this codekeyboards.com. Now we will compare it how it works when we compare the topics for the first 10 results present in Google. So as you see this blue area, this is the topics associated for the websites ranking on the top 10 results in Google. So it also has a line going through this area, which is the content present in the website. As you can see, the line cuts through this area is about machine. So it's understandable that the topic machine is common among both the code keyboards and also the top 10 results. So at this point, you can see the topics present in the top 10 results, which are item, value, object, list, matter. So these topics are mainly because of the contents present in the websites like Amazon or product listing pages. So just to tell you that these topics means that it is a category listing page of an e-commerce website, whereas code keyboards does not have a page that appears to be a category listing page, but it's more like an information page. So when they have used the word mechanic, their topic is highly associated with these irrelevant topics, which is body, then work, then machine. So there is nothing wrong with it. Actually, they are already ranking in the first position of Google, but they can improve it better through associating their on-page contents with the topics present here, just by updating their website to have words that are associated like a product listing page or an e-commerce page. So when you search for a keyword like buy mechanical keyboard, as you can see, the website we are talking about will not be the will not be ranking. I mean, it's not ranking in the first page. The reason being that they have, overly associated with the topics. That are not associated with the topic buy. So buy actually relates to an e-commerce or a transaction related thing. So this is how you can optimize your sites on page. I know I'm not good at English and not good at not that much good at explaining. I request you to ask me any doubts in this post if you do not understand actually my English, or how to optimize your pages for topic orientation. Eventually, I'll get better at tutorials. Thanks guys for listening.